speechless. What an amazing tour at Kennedy Space Center. Hey, Bill Lepner, control room of Apollo 8, Kennedy Space Center. Wait, behind us is an actual Saturn V rocket, like the one that took the 12 astronauts, the 12 Apollo astronauts to the moon in the 1970s.
Is the Lunar Theater as an excellent recreation of the landing of Apollo 11.
Apollo 16, Ken Mattingly made it. Of course, he was Gary Sinise's character in Apollo 13, who was left off the mission because he had the measles, but he actually flew on Apollo 16. Also, Apollo 16 is the only mission to go to the Descartes Highlands of the moon. All the other missions went to the Mars. Here's the astronaut van that took all the astronauts home after they landed from the Apollo mission. Jeremy Veldman, I'm at the Kennedy Space Center. And of course, this is where it all happened, but I want to remind you that this Friday, March the 1st, is our next MAS meeting. We've got moon rocks coming, we've got door prizes. We're going to talk about the history and origin of the moon. Very controversial, very interesting, but come on out this Friday, March the 1st, Christian Brothers University, Spain Auditorium, Buckman 106, our next MAS meeting. Looking forward to seeing you there.